by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special and unique product to review, the Huawei FreeClip, the latest flagship earbuds from Huawei. A new kind of wireless earphone that doesn't go in your ear at all. Sounds crazy, right? Well, let's find out how they work and if they are worth buying. But before that, if you are new here in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get started. The Huawei FreeClip is an open-ear earphone that uses a C-bridge design to wrap around the middle of your ear. First, let's talk about the C-bridge design. Basically, these are the connections between acoustic ball and comfort pin. Huawei used a nighttime memory alloy or nickel titanium, which is durable, flexible, and sturdy. And they claim that you can flex this up to 25,000 times. Inside the acoustic ball, there are one microphone, VPU or voice pickup sensor, plus the speaker. With the comfort pin, there are battery, one microphone and chipset. And here is for the magnetic pin to charge the device. The earbuds are interchangeable, so you can wear either one in either ear. They also have gesture controls, dual device connection, and AI call noise cancellation. The earbuds weigh only 5.6 grams each, and the charging case is 45.5 grams. The battery life is impressive, with up to 8 hours of music playback on a single charge and up to 36 hours with the charging case. The earbuds supports wireless charging with Type-C port, and a 10 minutes of charge can give you 3 hours of listening time. The main selling point of the Huawei FreeClip is the open-ear design, which allows you to hear your surroundings while listening to music or making calls. This can be useful for situations where you need to be aware of your environment, such as working in an office, exercising outdoor and indoors, or even while driving. I'm using these earbuds for a couple of days now. In the gym, while running in treadmills, it won't fall down easily because of the C-bridge design, which is perfect for sporty enthusiasts. The earbuds also direct sound more precisely to your ear canal, minimizing sound leakage and protecting your privacy. The sound quality is decent with a 10.86mm dual magnetic driver that delivers clear vocals and rich bass. The call quality is also good with a 2 microphone plus VPU or voice pickup system that uses a deep neural network algorithm to filter out ambient noises and gives you a better calling experience. The Huawei FreeClip is compatible with iOS, Android, and Windows devices and can connect 2 devices at the same time. You can easily switch between them by tapping on the earbuds. You can customize the gesture control to suit your preferences, such as double tapping to play or pause music or triple tapping to skip the next track. With the AI Life application, you can select different sound effects with Connection Center for dual device, improve the sound quality. You can easily update the device, find my earphones, and etc. The Huawei FreeClip is available in 2 colors, purple and black, and costs 699 dirhams here in Dubai or around 10,000 pesos in the Philippines. So, what do I think of the Huawei FreeClip? Well, I think they are a very innovative and interesting product that offers a different way of listening to audio. They are comfortable, lightweight, and durable, and have a long battery life and fast charging. They also have some smart features such as gesture controls, dual device connections, and AI noise cancellation. The sound quality is excellent, especially with the open-ear design headphones, and I can say it is worth the price. The open-ear design can give you a pro and cons depending on your preference and situations. If you like to hear your surroundings while listening to music or making calls or at the gym, then you might enjoy the Huawei FreeClip. But if you prefer to black out the noise and immerse yourself in the sounds, then you might want to look for other options. That's it for today's review. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.